So in this VN video editor tutorial, I will be showing you how to add recorded audio to your video here on VN Video Editor. So if I were to play this video, there's no recorded audio. If you want to record, it's pretty straightforward. Where it says tap to add music, go ahead and select that, and then go to where it says record and select that. Once you're here, you can go ahead and tap or press and hold to record. So let's go ahead and tap it here. It's going to start in 3 seconds. This is some recorded audio. Once that is done, you can go ahead and play it if you want. This is some recorded audio. Not sure if you could hear that, but it played the audio back. If you want to change the volume of it, you can as well. If this looks good to go to the bottom right, press the check mark right here. And if you were to play your video, this is some recorded audio. Once again, not sure if you could hear that, but it was playing my recorded audio. And if you want to edit, you can go ahead and do what you got to do and record it and add it that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to add recorded audio on VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.